Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix Xbox sign-in issue when the user another device option doesn't work.
Fix 1. Restart your Xbox. Step 1. Press and hold the Xbox power button on the console for 10 seconds until it turns off. Step 2. Unplug the power cable for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Step 3. Turn on the Xbox and try signing in again. Fix 2. Check Xbox Live Service status. Step 1. Go to Xbox Live status. Step 2. See if there are any ongoing service outages for sign in or account issues. Step 3. If services are down, wait until Microsoft resolves the issue, then try signing in. Fix 3. Remove and add your account. Step 1. Press the Xbox button, go to Profile and System Settings, Account, remove accounts. Step 2. Select the account causing the problem, remove. Step 3. Restart your Xbox. Step 4. Go to Sign In, add new, enter your account credentials. Fix 4. Clear local saved Xbox data. Step 1. Press the Xbox button, Profile and System Settings, Devices and Connections, blue, Ray persistent storage, clear persistent storage. Step 2. Restart your console and try signing in again.